Alright, boys. Just got my RAM for my computer I'm building. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you guys how to install RAM in your computer. Now, it's not the hardest thing in the world, but it's good to know. Teach you children, you know. So, here's the board. And you're gonna notice these RAM slots. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put those these things back, push them back a little bit on slots 2 and 4, and then you're gonna take one, line it up with the little notch right there. So as you can see, it's not lined up right now, so you gotta flip it around and then just align it up, put it in. Bruh. There you go. And do it until it snaps in. And there you go. You got one in. Take your other freaking stick of RAM. Do the same thing on the fourth one. And that's how you install RAM.